gorgeous, it's Kelsey here, and let us sing that little song. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, YouTube channel, YouTube channel.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Please bear with my lighting kasi natural lighting lang ang gamit ko. Today, I'm back with another video. So for today, as you can see naman sa ating title, I'm gonna review the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is not a first impression kasi lagi ko na siyang nasusuot. I just want to share my thoughts about it kasi ang ganda talaga niya. So, live update muna tayo. Ayun, busy ang momshi nyo. Nagtitraining po ako sa isang ground handling company. Tama ba yun? As a passenger service agent. Sa mga hindi alam kung ano po yun po yung mga nag-a-assist sa inyo sa airport, yung mga nag-check-in ng baggage nyo, yung mga nasa boarding gate. Ayan, yan yung mga example ng ginagawa ng isang PSA. Yes, may natutunan siya. So, dahil malayo ang Parañaque, hindi kaya ng araw-araw magbabiyahe from Taytay to Parañaque. Nagdo-dorm ako. Yes, somewhere in Pasay. Shout out sa mga batchmates ko. Hello, wholesome people! So, without further ado, let's start the review. Of course, ganito siya dumating sa akin. Ayan, may pangalan pa dyan. From Sephora.ae. So, this is from Abu Dhabi. My dad bought this for me. And then, he drive all the way from Abu Dhabi to Dubai para lang ibigay siya sa friend ko. I love you, Daddy. So, ayan siya. Nakarating siya dito dahil sa friend ko na si Ara Idana. Thank you so much, Momshi. So, ito yung mga nasa loob. My dad bought 2 foundation with the same shade. I'm in the shade 240. Kita niyo ba? 240. Una, medyo kinakabahan ako dun sa Sephora na meron dun find your shade. Ang lumalabas dun, may 310, 240, 210, ganun. Ang pinili ko na lang yung middle shade. Dito muna tayo sa packaging. So, this is how the packaging looks like. Ayan. Black and white lang siya. And then, sa taas, yung shade. 240. Oh, yes. So, ayan nakalagay. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And then, it is a soft matte long-wear foundation. It consists of 1.08 fluid ounces. Yes. And then sa gilid nakalagay, medium to full coverage for all, long wear, light as air, Ayun, yun yung nakalagay. And then sa likod, yung mga ingredients here. And then nakalagay, it will expire 12 months pag nabuksan na. Napaka-classy niya, kaya masarap niyang titigan. Yes! So, ayan siya. And then, let's move on with the product. So, ito siya. This is how the packaging looks like. Ano siya? Glass? Glass ba to? Yeah, it is a glass. Tapos, it comes with a pump. Ayan siya. Which means, madaling kumuha ng product. Ayan, nakalagay dito, Fenty Beauty. And then, nakalagay sa likod, ayun, kung gaano karami yung laman, which is 1.8 fluid ounces. And then, nakalagay dito, shake well. Yeah. So, ayun. Sobrang ganda niya, as in. Tapos, ito, white cap. White cap. Bear with me, guys, kasi this is my first review of all. So, titignan natin kasi, di ba, it claims sa box na it is a medium to full coverage, long wear, and light as air. Yes. Then, sa ilalim pala nakalagay yung shade 240. For the sake of this video, may wear test din pong magaganap sa video ito. I-apply na natin siya sa face, pero bago yon, magpa-primer muna ako, and I'll be using my No Shine Mattifier by Quick FX. Yep. After the primer, let's proceed with the product. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, half brush ang gagamitin and then half beauty blender. Sabi dito, shake well, and then I'm gonna shake it well. So ang ginagawa ko, one full pump and then 1/2 pump. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yes, runny siya, runny. Nalagay ko muna siya here. Sobrang natatakot ako dito kasi nakakanood na ako ng mga reviews about this foundation and sinasabi nila na nag-oxidize daw siya. So, sa akin naman, let's see. Let's see. It matches my skin. Kabila naman, gagamit tayo ng beauty blender. Tadin! Sa brush, sobrang dali niyang i-blend. Kahit dito naman, pero like, it needs more effort kasi than brush. Brush, gaganong ka lang. Ito, you need to bam, 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 bam. So, ayan siya. I think it matches my skin naman. Parang mas maganda yung etong side, yung beauty blender side, than here sa brush. Kasi mas may coverage siya than here sa brush side. It claims sa box na it is a medium to full coverage. Yes, kasi medyo na cover up yung mga dark spots ko, but not fully. Maybe pag nag-isang layer pa tayo, magiging full coverage na siya. Pero I'm not that kind of girl. So, ganyan na lang siya. So nice! Kasi parang na-smoothen out niya yung skin ko. Ayun o. Parang sobrang... Yes! That's so nice. I've been watching reviews about this foundation. It is nice. It is really for oily skin. So, dahil oily skin ang momshi nyo, malalaman natin sa wear test. Though, araw-araw ko na siyang ginagamit, pero for the sake of this video, magkakaroon tayo ng wear test para ma-prove ko sa inyo na this is so nice. This is really nice. This is worth your money. This is, I think, 150 dirhams doon. Chinek ko sa Sephora Philippines. Ano siya, mga 1,950. It feels, madali siyang mag-set. Hindi siya tacky. And then, parang wala ka talagang nilagay na foundation. Totoo yung nasa claims nila na it is light as air. If you found the right shade for you, sobrang ganda talaga niya. It really fits your skin. It is 11:10 AM sa watch namin. I'll just finish my makeup and then I'll be right back. Finished doing my everyday makeup look. Mag-update na lang ako sa magiging performance ng Fenty Beauty Foundation for the rest of the day.
Let's bring back those great memories. You got the music majority of all of you, you all grew up to. It's a throwback on a Sunday, the playback. I'll play it now.
Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want
one who loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time, and goodbye. Guys, it's already 2:20 in the afternoon. So after 3 hours, ito ang kanyang kinalabasan. Ayan. Meron na ako nakikita ang onting oil, pero sobrang carry pa yan. Hindi pa ako nagre-retouch kahit kumain na ako. So, update ko na lang ulit kay later, okay? After 7 hours, it's already 6:20 in the evening. So, ayan na siya. Grabing pag-oil up na ang nangyari. Pwede na mag-prito dyan. So, ngayon, first time ko mag-blot using my oil control film by Body Treats. Woo! Can you see that, people? Oh, yes. Hello there. Oh, yes. Woo! Sobrang oily ng pagmumukhang ito. Grabe! Nakita nyo ba yan? Well, in fairness, 7 hours siya bago mag-oil up ng ganto. Not bad. Compared sa ibang foundation na nabili ko, really good. Lalo na siguro kung nasa malamig naman, like nasa malamig ka na room all day. So feeling ko mas matagal pa siya. So my final thoughts are, mag-base tayo sa nakasulat sa box. It is a medium to full coverage. Yes, it is. And it is also buildable. Long wear. Yes, for me, yes. Kasi 7 hours na mainit. Alam mo naman yung temperature sa Pilipinas, napakainit. So, I think that 7 hours na bago mag-oil up ng ganito, it's very good for me. And light as air, very light. As in, very light na parang wala ka nilagay na foundation sa face mo. So, I really love the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Grabe talaga. As in, grabe. For now, this is my holy grail. Holy grail. Kung marami kayong pambili, I suggest na itry nyo tong foundation na to. Lalo na sa mga oily skin dyan. Yes. This is very... If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yup. Share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Come on. Click the subscribe button down below. Come on. Of course, for you to be notified whenever I post a new video on my channel, please do click the bell button beside the subscribe button below. Does that make sense? Yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye! Gusto niyo ba tong setup na to? Please do comment down sa comment section below. Okay? If it's better than the natural lighting, you know. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Lalagay ko siya sa description box below. Okay?